This model kit review is of the OV-10A Bronco, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Testors, and gives you the length here, a picture of the finished model. And another picture there, the finished model, and the colors that are needed. Let's have a look inside. Looks like this has been started. So we have our landing gear already attached to our parts of the fuselage here. This is all raised, these details. Probably the engine exhaust parts there. We've got a hole that needs to get filled. Same thing for the other side. All raised details. And another hole there. Here's our wing. The wing's already been put together. Needs a little bit of sanding at the joins. But a fair amount of surface detail. Unfortunately, it's all raised, except for these major lines here. Here's the main body of the fuselage. So we have looks like some detail on the outside. And these little pods here with weapons. Here's our nose wheel and our cockpit. It's very sparse in the details. Only one or two pieces left on these sprues. Let's have a look at these ones. We have our seat. We have wheels. And here's our stabilizer, fairly well molded. We do the pilot. There's some details. Looks like you had a hole there that was filled. And here's one of the propellers. Needs the spinners. Here's the other one. Need to have these propellers placed in there. And these have been sanded down fairly well. And we have our weapons. And we have a number of those. Let's have a look here. Here we have our glass, which is nicely molded. Here are our decals. There are a lot of details in those decals here. Lots of details. Very nicely printed. Let's have a look at the instructions. So we start off with the nose gear and cockpit. That's actually already been done. And the seats put in. That's put into the main fuselage. We put the they're called sponsons, pods on the side. We put our propellers together. It's partially been done. And then the booms, the fuselage booms on the side, with the landing gear, and then the parts all put together with the booms and the fuselage, and our stabilizers put on, and then we have weapons placed on there, canopy put on, and then we have a decal and paint guide. show inside of each boom. Here's the other option. You can see all the decals there. And they give you some ideas for weathering and how to paint the figures. So all in all, the most impressive part about this really is the decals. And this model has a lot of potential of things that you can add, but it doesn't come with those features. It's more like a canvas that you could create something impressive